I just learned that I could assign keystroke combinations to a mouse key. This is a guide to assigning keystroke combinations of mouse keys to Premiere Pro actions. And there's one that particularly annoys me, and that's the Shift Delete. I have to reach over with my left hand towards the right of the keyboard and hit Shift Delete, and I do that a lot. And if I could just click a key on a mouse, that would be awesome. So the first thing was I went to Logitech. Their support page is where the software is. And there's Logitech G502. Clicked on that and downloaded it. What it looks like. This is an active profile. This shows my mouse. And in the active profile is desktop. Now, under this application, there can be some profiles. So there can be a Premiere Pro profile under the desktop application. If I go to Premiere Pro under the desktop and I click on this, and this is what we're interested in, and macros, where you map the keys to there's a side keys. This is the key that I'm going to assign to the ripple delete. Let's go back and go to this active profile, and I added an application. That's how this PR got here. Then I added a profile, and in this profile, here's the profile, Adobe Premiere Pro, default. Click on the mouse, go to macros, and you can see ripple delete is assigned. You can't see it because it's on the side. It's assigned to this key here. So we're going to assign another key. But first I want to show you how to attach the program, add a gamer application. That's what I did first. So let's do this with another Adobe product. There is a scan now, and presumably this would pick up applications, but it's not picking up any of mine. We need to do this manually. So click on this, and in the root directory, got to go to the root directory, program files, Adobe, and here is where I chose Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a file folder. Open the file folder and find the executable file. And there it is. That's what I selected. We're going to do another one. So let's back up and put in bridge. Click on that. I imagine we have it selected. Bridge. Open. And it shows up here. So the executable of Adobe products is in the C. It's in the root directory. And so here we have bridge. It says it's now active. And we can add a profile for bridge. And we can just name it. So you could, let's say I was doing a bridge to do different things. Bridge for YouTube. Press enter to create this profile. So that would be a profile. If you click on that, it goes away. This has to be active. Then you can select this. You can see bridge for YouTube. Then we can go in here, select macros, and assign these keys to certain actions. Let's do this. There's a particular one that I want to do for Premiere Pro. So we'll go and it's going to be in this one, not that one. We need to go to this one. Then you click on the mouse, then macros. So you can see that I have ripple delete. I'm going to create a new macro and name this cut is going to be in the name. Press enter. And it's not going to be a repeating command. Now, the cut command is ctrl-k. So we'll start now and record keystrokes. Ctrl-k. Stop recording. So right Control-K is what I've been using for the cut command. Let's save this. Now I need to assign this to a key. Let's put it on the middle click. So when you press this button down, it's going to respond with a cut. Now I X'd out of this and it didn't work for a while, and I came back and it works while this was running. Then I X'd out of it again, and then it stayed working. So I don't know what makes it behave that way. I know there is a way that you can set it to be persistent across all settings. This is the Adobe Premiere Pro default. Now I could have another Adobe Premiere Pro for Phantom 4 drone processes or whatever that would be different from the one that I do. And then I would set up a completely different key mapping for that. Let's go to Premiere Pro and see this working. This is a portion of a view in Premiere Pro, and there's this clip here, and let's play or move the cursor down a little. Capture, right? And I already cut it there. So now let's see if I can hit the mouse wheel, and it does, it cuts it. Now I'm going to select this and hit the other key, and it deletes. So it's now working, it's saving me multiple keystrokes. Let's go here. Cut. Move it down a little bit. Cut it again. Select and hit this. So it's working.